Well, it's currently 5:56 in the morning. I wanted to come out here, one, to see the stars, and two, to see the sunrise. We saw the stars because we were up all night, and we saw the sunrise because we were up all night. And so I paid for 2 nights in this Airbnb, but because of like all the bugs and stuff, we couldn't sleep and we couldn't even shower because there was like spiders like right by the shower. We were like, we're not trying to be showering and have like spiders come down. So yeah, we're actually going to be going to a Best Western for the second night because we still want to have our little getaway vacation thing, enjoy like this desert area because neither of us have been here really, and make the most out of what's left in our trip. We're just not going to be staying at this Airbnb. It's a really, really nice place, but I mean, it's cool if you like bugs crawling all over you while you're sleeping, but yeah, there were crickets, there were spiders, there was some weird little things that we don't even know what they were. There was like baby crickets, and yeah, it was just all too much. So we're going to Best Western, safer bet. We are not nature people. We just found that out, got that out of the way. And yeah, so we're going to Best Western, but I missed the colorful part of the sunrise because I was taking pictures. But here's the sun actually coming up. Showered, we're at the hotel, and now we're going to bed. Night. So today is our last day in the desert, whatever area we're in, like Yucca Valley or something. One thing that I really wanted to do on this trip was to just sit somewhere, look out in front of me, and like paint whatever I saw in front of me as it was there. And I wanted my boyfriend to do the same, and then we would kind of like compare and like see how we see things differently, kind of. I don't know. It was like a weird thing, but I was like, everywhere I go this summer, I want to do that. And we were supposed to get up a little bit before sunrise so that we could head over to the Joshua Tree area and paint over there while the sun was rising. I thought it was gonna be really pretty. The sunrise is at like 5:40. I woke up at 5:30 and I was like, no, I'm too tired. And my boyfriend was really tired, and so we just didn't go. Now it's about 11 o'clock. We have to check out of the hotel, so we're just packing all of our stuff, and then we're gonna head over there to paint. And then I think we're gonna go like to Pioneer Town, and we're gonna go shopping. There was like some vintage shops on our way here. So yeah, I'll see you all when that's happening. Well, we made it back home. It was a long day. We did a lot of stuff. It was a long weekend. We did a lot of stuff. Woohoo! Babe. Dork. We were pretty much in the dirt like all day, so now we're gonna shower and relax, and I guess that this ends this video. So thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, let me know by giving me a thumbs up down below and comment. Let me know what your favorite part of the video was, and subscribe to me if you want to see more fun videos, because there's more fun stuff coming up. So make sure you subscribe. Cool. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.